This is the current assignment you're looking at, right? Let's talk a little bit about how you should be going about it. So right now, you should be watching this video here. Once you finish, you should be going down here. So let me talk about what you're going to see. You have a brief explanation of the task. You have a link here from Google Drive. And then you've got the video tutorial here. So, like this says, download the Keynote from Google Drive and then follow along. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to download this. So in Google Drive, we can download with this little download button up here. So it hopped way down here, but we can also find a download button right here, or if you're in Chrome and you press download, then you'll see it down here. Doesn't matter which way you see it. So I can either click here and it will open in Keynote, or from here, I've got the little download button. I can also click on it and it will open in Keynote. The very first time you open Keynote, you'll probably get a different screen about whether you want to create or view or open. It doesn't matter which one you click right now. That's just in the way, and as soon as you click on any of the options, this should pop up. So once we have the Keynote available, then we should be going back to the task, right? We have both open right now, right? So when I clicked here, it opened this new tab. So I can close this tab, and I can go here. And now I can actually watch the video and follow along. So that's what you should also be doing. So if I make this smaller, maybe not that small, I can click play.
So let's actually start using,
and I can watch the video.
start basic, just with some lines, and then from there we'll add in shapes and stuff like that. We're not going to do anything too complex. This is all very beginner level. So I'm going to start with just the pen tool. We can grab our pen tool from this shape section here. So here's the pen. I'm going to click the starting point and the ending point, and then I'm going to press escape so that way I'm not trying to draw an additional point.
Okay, so in the video, that's what I did. So now I would pause the video like I did, and I would do what was shown in the video. So like the video shows, I would go here, I would click, press escape like I instructed in the video, and then I would go back to here and I would play and watch the next part. And I would keep going through until I've completed the video, right? Which at that point I should be way down here creating this bar graph the way that it was shown here. So at the end I should have done everything in this slide, this slide, this slide, and then this slide. The rest we're going to do in another activity. So you're going to keep this and use it again later. Once you're done, then you would upload a screenshot of the bar graph here, right? So down here you should have a button to browse or find the file, and once you've clicked on it, then you should have the blue button to upload, right? And so then once you've done that, then we'll be able to see your submission down here. Now, this video is kind of small. If this video is too small, you can make it bigger. Now, I'm not saying full screen. Full screen will then make it so you can't see what you're doing, right? That could be a little difficult. So you could click here if you need to, right? And that will load it on YouTube, which here you can make it a little bit bigger. You could go to theater mode, right? And now it's the width of the browser, which makes it a little bit easier to see what's going on without going full screen, without losing sight of what you're actually working on, right? Because then I could watch and then go back and forth as needed and still be able to see the video.